How to use Spocket for beginners, Spocket dropshipping tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another dropshipping tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing a great software that there is online which is called Spocket. So I'm going to take you through all the basics. I'm going to sign you up with Spocket. I'm going to show you how you can mess around with the different products on it and how you can start your very own dropshipping with it. So just without further ado, just sit back, relax, listen to all my instructions carefully, and I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to do dropshipping through Spocket. So let's first of all discuss what dropshipping really is. So dropshipping is basically a form of retail business wherein the seller accepts customer orders without keeping stock on hand. In easier words, basically, me as a seller, I will ship you a product that I don't really have my hands on, but I can ship it from some stock that I have in some warehouse, and I'll ship it in some really quick way. So that's what dropshipping is, and a lot of different e-commerce websites offer dropshipping, like let's say WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. So today we're going to be using Spocket. So obviously for that, we're going to write Spocket online. And here you can see Spocket.co, Spocket, best dropshipping suppliers for US plus EU products. So let's load that in. Now, once you're over here, you can see this great overlay for Spocket, discover top dropshipping suppliers of original US EU products. And you come down here, you see these different features that it has. You can see all the different products and different widgets it has shown us on its website. And we can see the available integrations. Obviously, the different softwares that we can integrate it with to start our dropshipping, like Alibaba, AliExpress, eBay, Square, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Ecwid, Wix, BigCommerce, Shopify, and Felix. You can use all of these different e-commerce websites to integrate with Spocket and start your dropshipping. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Now to get started, you're going to come here on the top right and click on get started. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the sign up process. Now, I'm going to be using a temporary email for now, but I recommend you to use your proper email. So you're going to enter your name over here. So just make sure to enter your correct name. Once you've done that, you're going to put in your email. I'm going to put in this one right here. Now, once you put in your email, down here it says what products do you want to sell. Now, this option is totally optional if you want to do it, but I just recommend you do it because according to that, it optimizes your Spocket store and gives you products according to that. Let's do jewelry and watches, and then I'm going to click on get started. Now, once I click on get started, it's going to load me up a bit, so just wait a few moments, and there we go. That is how easy and quick it is to create your Spocket account. And over here it says, hi John, I'm Seba, welcome to Spocket. And here it just gives you an introduction. You can go through that when you make your account. But now that we're here, we can see that Spocket has this great interface on it, and you can see that in the top we can start seeing all these products over here. And these are obviously these look like products you see on Amazon or maybe Alibaba, AliExpress, etc. We're going to get into that in a moment. First of all, I'd like to discuss the different features that Spocket provides you with. Now, obviously, over here, this is Find Products. And in these Find Products, you have different sections. You have the US EU products that you can find over here. You have the AliExpress products. If you click on AliExpress, what that does is it downloads an add-on, which is called Ali Scraper. And what that does is it scrapes different products from AliExpress for your dropshipping. And then you have image search. You can put up any image, which will automatically search a product that you can put on your Spocket store. Now, if we go back on USEU products, you can see that over here, you see these different features like ships from, premium, fast USA shipping. You can turn all of these filters on. You can also sort by their prices, shipping times, newest, lowest. You can put all of that if you want to. You can enter different keywords over here. Let's say jewelry and watches. If you want some certain type of jewelry, you can add in gold rings or gold necklace. You can put in something like that and you'll get it right away. Spocket has it all. Now, where to get your imported products? To see your imported products, obviously you're going to go on import list. Now, obviously right now I'm on import list and I don't see anything because I didn't add anything. So for that, what we're going to want to do is we're going to come here to our US EU products, and I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Okay, so once you're at your US EU products, we're just going to wait for the products. Now you're going to go through these products and you're going to see whatever you like to dropship on your e-commerce website. So let's say I like this necklace. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to wait for Spocket to give me the details, and here we go. Now, here I can see the necklace. It's a necklace, 18K white gold plated, made with crystals. And it's from the United States. The listing price is $9. The retail price is $12. So basically, I get a profit of $3 from that. And you can see the different processing times, shipping times, return policy, etc. You can see all that. Now, to make sure that this product is in profit, you can go on Google Trends or maybe on Amazon to see if this product is really on a profit for you. If it is, and you like what you see, what you can do is obviously you're going to check the description, you're going to check the product variations. Once you do all that, you're just going to click on add to import list. Now, obviously, Spocket isn't a totally free application. You're going to need to get yourself some type of plan. Now, it could be a starter, pro, empire, or unicorn plan. I just recommend the starter plan because you can have 25 unique products to your name if you're a starter, obviously. If you want to take the long run, then obviously I'd recommend something like Empire or Pro. So once you've done that, you're going to click on add to import list, and what that's going to do is it's going to import your product into your import list. Now, once your product is here in your import list, from here on out, what you're going to do is you're going to send it over here. You're going to get an option to import it to your store, and your store is going to be obviously the one that you're going to integrate with it. Now, if you ask how to integrate your store with your Spocket, for that, you just need to go on settings. And once you go on settings, you're going to go on store. And once you're on store, what you're going to need to do is over here, it says connect your store. Your shop has not been connected with this account yet. Over here, you're going to click on connect. And from here on out, connect any type of store you have. You could either have a WooCommerce, Ecwid, Square, Wix, Shopify, whatever you have, and then you're just going to connect it. And from there on out, you can go back to your import list and then just import these products to your store. And that is how easy and simple it is to import your products from Spocket to your store. And from there on out, you can start your drop shipping very easily because Spocket gives you the quickest and the most greatest drop shipping prices you can get online. So yeah, that's basically about it. That's how you use Spocket, and that is how simple and easy it is to use it. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more dropshipping related videos for you. And if you have any more queries, let me know. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you next time. That was all from me. I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.